Hi, welcome back. Dito tayo ngayon sa bathroom. Nagpapaligo kay Annabelle. Yun siya, palay down, nag-relax. Nakahiga. Tapos mamaya katapos niya, paliguan ko si Mark. Level ha? Ready ko lang itong dryer para katapos niya. Ready ko ba niya? Nagailan ako nito. Tiyan ko talaga. Ang taba. Nagailan natin ito. Tapos papaliguan ko na siya. Kasi ayaw ko nababasa yung kong bandi. Kasi ayaw ko ng palit. Okay, magpaligo muna tayo. Balikan ko kayo. Hindi pa daw siya ready. Gusto niya pa mag-relax. Maya daw. Ayaw niya pa niya magpaano. Paligo. Hindi na ako nagsuot ng glasses. Nagmamadala ko dito sa taas kasi ang dami ko pang gagawin sa baba. At tapos ko lang mag-prepare ng apuna ng asawa ko kasi papasok siya. Tapos mamaya ipapakainin ng mga bata. Merienda lang eh. Tapos yung panganay kakakain lang mo ng niluto ko na apunan niya. Tanghalian at umagahan. Dali na water? Ayan, balikan ko kayo. Ayan, natapos pa lang siya.
I'm being naked. I'm standing in my pants in my belly button.
No. Okay. Get this down.
Oh, somebody
Tapos na yung mga bata maligo. Ayan, maglilinis tayo ng ating tub. Atin muna i-rinse yung tub. Ayan. Rinse muna natin ito. Para walang substance.
Probably didn't even notice this, but she's packing up all her stuff.
I know that.
She's going to the cottage. She's packing up.
No, she's been doing that since yesterday.
She's packing all her stuff.
Yeah.
I need to, because you might go and forget everything. Then we're not gonna stay there. She has to. What? When they go to the cottage, she's gonna have to bring all that stuff.
I don't know what she wants to do.
That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of stuff now to bring to the cottage. You're gonna bring all that stuff there, Manny, to the cottage?
Yung kapatid niya kasi
You can't. There's too
yung
much.
darawa ng niya yung mga stuff
There's
is
too much.
niready niya, nalagay niya sa box. Kasi pupunta daw kami sa cottage. Doon daw kami titira. Cute. She's just cute. Unahin muna natin ito sa gilid. Tapos pasok tayo dun sa loob.
dito. Tuyuin muna natin para hindi tayo mabasa.
You're gonna break every but we're not gonna stay there all day when we go there. We're just gonna sleep. We're just gonna sleep there if we go there. When we go there, we're just gonna sleep there. We're not gonna stay there when we go there. Bee juice. Bee juice. Do you like that? There are bee juice in it. You can't watch your bee juice there, Annie. You can't make and watch. You can't make bee juice with mommy and make bee juice with mommy. You can make bee juice with mommy, but you can't watch bee juice. You can't watch them.
Basa. Basa pa dito.
You have data too. Yeah, but you can't watch YouTube. Because it's gonna take too much.
Basa pa rin.
No, you watch 1080p YouTube.
No, you don't watch 1080p YouTube. You don't.
You can't watch 1080p videos with
You just don't watch 4K then. You watch 360 or something.
Ooh!
Nagtatalo na naman yung dalawa.
I'm not gonna watch that. What crap quality?
Dude, that was high quality when I was like.
What crap quality? I'm gonna pack up all this stuff. Anna, this is all Anna's gonna bring all the stuff in the cottage. All of it.
Ayan, tapos na tayo.
And then you can bring all that when you.
Ay, ang bilis matuyog kasi ano siya, malinis. Naka. Hindi tayo magtagal dito kasi aalis si Mr. pasok sa work. Papakainin ko pa yung mga bata. Tapos na siya kumain. Kaya yung kami na lang kakain. Naliligo na siya. Oh, it's so wet.
Back in your day when they didn't have you. Back in your day when they didn't have you. They didn't have you. They didn't upload the videos on there until 2006. It was made in 2005, but the first video wasn't uploaded until 2006.
Ay, tapos din. Now we have to put all this stuff. Towel ng bata. The hair dryer. Dito tayo sa isang bathroom dito ko kasi ano yung ini-store yung hair dryer kasi dito ako naliligo. Okay. Hair dry ko kasi yung buhok ko pagkatapos kong maligo.
Annabelle doesn't think we're gonna live in this house anymore. She thinks we're gonna live in the cottage, so she's gonna bring all her stuff there.
She's just innocent. She's just a little girl. Doesn't know what's going on. Tapos din tayo. Ito yung isang kubita. Yung bathroom. Yan, tapos na tayo. Mabak na tayo. At ako'y nagugutom na. Kain tayo. Okay guys, thank you again for watching. Hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko. And please don't forget to subscribe sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.